93.1 ɛhɔ ɛna ɔbɔ follow yɛ na afei nso ɛnɔma ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Sompa TV so nyinaa onso wetimi anya bi ahwɛ ɛwɔ Facebook ne so na ɛna no pɛ yɛ hyɛ nsɛm na se ɛde free the Black Stars of Ghana preparations ne gu so ɛkɔ so ɛndra day 2 training no ɛnso ɛkɔ so na ɔmo ma me ɛbra na Black Stars free ade say ɔmo hotel ho ɛde ɔmo ani akyɛ mu ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium no enti Black Stars ɔmo free ɔmo hotel no yɛhwɛ ɛkɔ ɔmo fa so free yɛnya feeling ne kakra. Screen this so come on no one say Gideon Mensah and all the players and a brand no free they say omo hotel e de omani achemo e wo Accra Sports Stadium area kwan a omo fa so arrive here e wo Accra Sports Stadium. Yes, intino Black Stars and omoremo e wo Accra Sports Stadium na chese omokoye no training no section no etimi call so Jordan Ayew and so etimi attach it down wa join team no captain for the side na chese Endra enye Freddy Agrokra e wo training grounds and so na sisi a wouldn't say Ghana we no a project and a year say 2026 World Cup e koso e wo they say USA afen so Canada any Mexico no enya they say Ghana ni bia e pese ye mixing no ye legends no e de omo ho agimu omo hese Blasters ye beti bia qualify na edi kan no Mame Asamoah any Jordan Ayew yes Asamoah any Jordan Ayew no din kan fa we the face of Ghana Blasters Kudus obia ehewanim e ben fan yagro o performance na o perform edema Western United no for some performance na ebra na make sure say won so be wa famu de na yakɔ World Cup na emfasoa edebe bro as a player and afei so as a footballer no edoso ye papa sanse Asamoah me call 2006 by ya me call 2010 call 2014 World Cup no eboa me papa ntina Asamoah enso ewramu ewo Accra Sports Stadium ene mrante ne kodi nkomo to omo fo mu nyina ehese Ghana ebetime secure qualification no enso na yene openi Tony Bafo yes mame Tony Bafo nso ebra ono nso ewramu yes yentie Tony kakra. Mujeja ho omuni omudi enkomo no na mame Kamadin Kudus ena afenso Ernest Nyama omo picture no mame sa picture no na yenhwa de kakra Kamadin ena afenso Kudus ene Ernest Nyama enkwada we no omanyo nkofa ne de e different level kra e different level ntino omo ba Blasters camp no say ya na omuko Europe nso a omutimi ko hyehyia na chese bibia ekoye na akonya na omutim no eho nsem apie kakra unim se akonya we Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium enkonya ewo bench wono na empanyifo betebre free Kumasi e de akopie mu Accra esanse Blasters ebebo match no enkonya na ewo Accra Sports Stadium no bench wono enkonya na omutran so no eno no CAF any FIFA engine to the ye befa Kumasi de no e de ko Accra entino nanu akotoko boboy plastic chairs ni DCC ho e de ma o ma sansem no ye be ma mo enso e na assistant coach John Pistol and some kakra enso atuja afa Blaster say sisi at Friday massive support and I hear anymore at the free Ghana for
supporters in say especially our first home match in Chad match win game in some support we have to yamani so World Cup by in the World Cup brings a lot of opportunities. European doors will be investments ever independent money between the rest of
enti no we mu no omo kasa say ya legends no omo ye living testimony ono nso no World Cup no wabobia ene oye assistant coach Erima Blasters of Ghana enso ehonma o say we no a must win Ghana for yentimi mfa match we enso eniagro eho ne we no na otuado nso de nsem kakra tudwa na onim say na say minister ene om kwehia no say otu start ne de enyo otuado a reply or say believing in stars.
I think it's difficult sometimes to compare circumstances, especially if you have friendly matches or if you have matches where you have a lot of injuries. And I know that statistics count, but for me it doesn't count too much. Each and every game is important, and we always try to do the best as we can. And I'm looking now forward to this match. I'm really looking forward to win, to also bring back a little bit more positivity and also the confidence to the players. And I think, I hope Chad is coming at the right time, and we will prepare the boys. And this is football. Sometimes you have ups, sometimes you have downs, but the most important thing is to learn out of the downs.
Entino otuno no na ode nsem eguo eriama Friday o jira dagout nim na wa hwese bibia ebekoye eriama the Black Stars of Ghana away from Black Stars in sensem no yetena se 9:30 ewo full time ne so aye the more enso ebetimi abraw na yenwemo ewo the Ghana Premier League no mame Ghana Premier League no na yemfa eni enkomo kakra enso ewo we week 20 outstanding matches na ekoso enso ewo ene uwemu wenchi a Young Apostles omni Kumasi Asante Koroko ena edebebo ni 3 p.m. ena game no ebaso wo Summer Boy no Century Arena Summertest omo tirefie omni Midiama ena ede ebo ni ena face uwem ewo Bechema ade se ehon so no nana fosu ji abo no Bechem United tirefie ene Accra House of Folk ede ebo ni na match we no ehon sema epiepie no enye fedi agro baseke Holy Stars omni Gold Stars enso edebebo ni Bekum Chelsea omni ensuatre game no emma so esanse ensuatre for omo league ayeboy omatwe ho enso ede efrim Heart of Lions omo trefie any Dreams FC enso ede aboy ni enafen so Nations FC enso ewo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex no omo ne Aduana FC enso ena ede boy ni Legon Cities ene ebo 7 p.m. ewo University Sports Stadium eno ewo Legon eno so omni Vision FC ena ede boy ni ena fin so edatena Accra Lions ene Karela United enso ebetimi ede aboy ni eno enso the Ghana Premier League no ehon sensem no ena yede ma no na mami Kumasi Asante Koroko mna omuwura mu wenchi no omu hotel hono mami kakra yes Asante Koroko endra ewiano ena omu touch down ewo wenchi ena hu se bus no enso esi wo kama endra Asante Koroko na security enso tight ye papa ebra oboko remti no abrante friend Emmanuel entry ena eremo somewhat tinedu meka che say abrante na recover or joining team no abrante no enso eno no na yewie no omuru amusa no ena coach Prosper Nate Ogum ensem kakra enso etimi etudwa coach Ogum kasafa Young Apostles gamer ebaso yentie coach kakra.
Yeah, we are going there with a determined, confident, and winning mentality. That's what we're taking there. We believe that we are capable of playing very well. We are capable of staying very disciplined defensively. We are capable of unlocking their defense, create their chances, and score. So we are very determined, very confident, and we believe that we can create the chances and score.
Yes, and no coach Prosper Nate Ogum and the Sansamene Etudane was a coach and they all call when 19 players a penadeko a mutre crano a junior players. Yenti and Sama coach a kafahu.
Our happy as a technical staff as playing body. I'm sure the supporters are also happy. Management is also happy. And the suspensions and the injuries, and we are still able to compete to be at the top. It shows that there is a lot of commitment, a lot of dedication, a lot of self-belief in what we are doing. So we are all excited that even though in our predicament, we are still occupying the summit of the league.
Yes, and no, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, head coach Edema Kumasi Asante Roko. And he was as a coach, Modia Mobas near Papa Quentin Moko, summer bueno, 14 hours in and out, and I must spend the year. Travels no affected Asante Roko.
So in about 14 hours on the road, which is more than half a day. It makes the players very tired, physiologically and mentally. It makes them very tired. But then that is the nature of our league. The distances, the roads are not good. The type of buses we all use here, as I've said before, are not sports-related buses. So sometimes the players become fatigued on board, even though when they are going, we stop along the way for them to walk some few distances.
Yes, Coach Prosper Natogum na okra kotoko basa utimi na usi. And the young apostles money teams in Ketwa Rombe day. Or say buses na ye de come matches no ye kwan nye enti buses ne kra enye sports related buses. Enye bus yes enke de ye football na say de ma footballers. I don't know. Hey coach, na kodoko bus Ukraine. Any house bus de there. Any house coach in so be ka bibi kakra. Na yenko coach o strikers see goes in there eba na kojina ni pa mienu so abeta mo play abrantia ye freno Kwame Pokunkwa na ebo goes you and also o can say
conversation. I talk to the players about it. Post training conversations, I talk to them about it. When I meet them one-on-one, you've been a witness to these things I'm talking about. And not that we only talk to them about it, we make sure that we talk to them, show them videos, and then train on it. And then
I know drills are Coach Prosper Nateogum, and then the strikers, and so now young apostles head coach Abdul Rahman Tijani, and so Eden Sam Kakratuja ahead of Asante Kotoko game Ebaso and 3 p.m. no.
You know, when playing against a team like Kotoko, you know, you don't talk much with the players because the players know that tax. They know that what that match will mean to them and what that game, because that game can change even their life, you know. So in this game, a coach, because when I was working with Masfel Kuniru, he told me when playing against Asofo and Kotoko, you don't need to talk to your players a lot. Why? Because they know.
Okay, Abdul Rahman Tijani, head coach, and my young apostles, and this seminar at Tujo, say, oh, Bokumasi Asante Rokwa, who he has said, new players in the Becassa players, no, or Munim and Faswa, and was so about 8 years Asante Rokona Bonia and Faswa, and Babaso. Now, Hasofo head coach, Bubaka Watara, and they all Romu Betum, now Hasofo coach, you know, and some pressure on the so, Yentino.
Good preparation, no problem. Coming from the rules at home, everything is possible in football. We lose at home, why not you come down and win at outside? Everything is possible. We have confidence on this process because it's the league. League is 34 matches. Okay, now we play just 21. We have another 30 matches. 30 matches supposed to be 39 points. Yeah.
Okay, Entino, and no coach Bubaka Watara, head coach Edema, House of Folk, and some Etujano. Na Yakwama Cinco Atanasi, Calvin Momame, Bechem United, and performance Ebekosu Bechem Clan Sana game, no, and so Etimiaba, so happy hour, no, but GFA for introduce you, and Bechem for say yes. We a side attraction into Remo Bechema and the artist Ahodwa or mobile performing clients and a game no at me Abason to know your supporter Rahon Temna Kwajiwani and Sakran at 3 p.m. game no at me Abaso coaches no coach Kasim Mengo and our friends so ya we champion winina Omakasa area fa game no so ya trase 9:30 ya the more ebeblo na chade for no omo ya gym work omo say yes omo mi omo body ni ntina no so no ya trase ya the more and so ebeblo somebody efisam ya de besia na ya wemu o 5 na odi amano ne nsam na ba about 9:30 local news no more and so ebeba 5
Orlando
etiefo no omo say ebrene ye wodia.
All right, yes, Bena Sanso, ye kwamana ni anano pay. Ye the following news ma ye tie for live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, and I feel live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and anano pay. Yes, I'm betting us latest amana sema. As I want to me kanina no. Ye dim anonso ma ye tie for Jasa ye din 70p Efra no ne Ebra Banana pay. Na anu na beka cho se Bukayo Saka no enso na play Adema Arsenal woboko no. Omo consider sa brand no beti ma ne new contract. E beti so na boma Bukayo Saka. Enso etim so na stay for Arsenal. Na bibia enso etim akwa de Arsenal woboko no. Omo jire pass Arsenal future. Ana feche omo ni so ade hu se o metim so agi trophies akase Premier League no. Ana fe UEFA Champions League ni na no. Esa brand for se Bukayo Osaka and some native Mr. Chakran there's official announcement to this around Bukayo Osaka and some Natimas and new contract and so no Adam Arsenal Boboko and pay ya doing some Nadimate for Jumedia Swanino and so I diapa na Mamin fun to this Arsenal team no almost one Najina Kono after international break no also UEFA Champions League near Woodham and so no quarterfinals and Yagra quarterfinals no also Arsenal team no almost one Rama the team no and the team so their face so I dey simple no UEFA Champions League quarterfinals cinema and Yagra Kwana dia and so this story be Shasieba na sound story and one Shasieba na say also international break I team Woodham dia and so this no Ramo Brazil around Fonsa Gabriel Magalhaes no and so na defender and so na the Arsenal Benya Kwenya and so na Abrante Fonsa Vinicius Junior and of Rodrigo Eshomina no etim so na training the Brazil national team no for be 2 weeks international for no e wo jire pass o defender ye Fonsa Gabriel Magalhaes no e betim so na Kwenya na wetim so na Gina Vinicius Junior and of Abrante Fonsa Rodrigo Guedes so abro no so team nya Kwenya no be 2 weeks ade anim no wetim so na ne say 2 players no and so wetim so training na yem fan to the Abrante ye Fonsa Lewis Kelly no so no akokopiem so no England na one Jude Bellingham e training our England national team now so and after the year and so ne say no more France on Sabrante Fonsa William Saliba and so ngani Kylian Mbappe e betim so training international for jide pass o defenders o betim so na share mad top players no Mbappe Rodrigo Goes and after Vinicius Junior na no sa defenders na Kwenya o team so ngani sa players no e betim so training to mo jide pass akwambia so abra o so ngani mad team na de bone e wo UEFA Champions League quarterfinals ni no akwambia so mo Kwenya o betim so na stop him at the top players na no pai ye de sansam no and so ngadi matie for jumade so ni na no and so na de to de no sensemi no ye de eno so ma tie for ena no pai and so no jumade no so ye wura mo bansa na ye jumani bi de free Lami Yamal e player o si academy bansa team no wo de atudwa say Liverpool team na UEFA Champions League no o ma team afu na kwambia so no bansa and so na favorite simple no o betim so na de UEFA Champions League no ade asi wo na so wo sin na o jide say Liverpool bola na omo na ehu na say no mo Salanom and Luis Diaz no Dominic Zobozila nom na o bola na nkofo ne ba na kwambia so afi na Liverpool enso no e betim so na de Champions League na so abra Paris Saint-Germain yo ma from na team aboa ama bounce team no o mo chances of winning the say UEFA Champions League no team so na brighter and asma Lami Yamal and so na dia to the na no pai ye de sansema de mamo e wo dwade so no se mfan to the say bounce team no say no mo ne Madrid o mo ne the only team o mo team so na ha Madrid ye pa na o say Madrid team no great team no wo di two pass o mo ne bounce team no and so na bo just a players no e na o mo mentality different no say they be an on person bounce team no and so na prove say o mo ye better e dey say Madrid bobo ko na ni sema Lami Yamal dia tuja o enim sa fi UEFA Champions League bounce e betin so na je dey so na so na no pai ye dey won sam na dey mamo e wo jumade no so ye kan no Lami Yamal amba be the first ever Spanish player in history ono so na team Arsenal enya fast na bro mo so e wura no national team na no pai ye dey won sam mama be say the Spain team no omo so na nya player ono so team so no eye Muslim ono enso fast no na dey to dey na no pai ye dey sansam no enso na dey mamo so ni na no enso ye de bonsa na san na fibo kotoa enso na ntime enkoda goal post no mo enfama Belgium na team no na yemfo to this finally over from the fibo kotoa enso team so nganya wuram e Belgium am national team na me no kasai adese game so mo boy na no Run friends of Thibaut Courtois, everything so available, and some Nadama, the Red Devils of Belgium, and Anapay. You don't want some Nadama Mano, and your Tribe Thibaut Courtois, and Yabusa goalkeeper, and Sanabanasai, and an saying Untimina Konya, and some Namada goal post no from Belgium, and Ocean Front to the issues Kakebi, and the Timson Nabaye, not say issues about Nano, where Timson Nanya Konya, any place in Ibia in command of the place in Ibua, or no for bear past 2 years and year day. Na ojitu mpaso ni place ni din komono na nko ojitu mpaso nkebi ya case ni kura no anka akwa dani ade na nso obaye no eno Sompa sila no as a place ni biguso ene no issues ni ade na ojitu mpaso oba national team camp no wetin so nganya konya ene ade se ni colleagues na shia ama nsema no abrante for the Thibaut Courtois na esha no so hani na no wetin so ngaka ni na ama no wetin ato no na ojitu mpaso place no issues ano obi awoni na no obi anso timedi atu na chomo enim sa psychologically and mentally na no adesa obetim so ngade atu omachi no ano maso betima koye adama Belgium national team na pono World Cup no obetim so qualify na sa Belgium team no anso no equal good players obetim so compete na pono World Cup ebe ko so no Mexico and for Canada in United States of America na no o me for sa Belgium betima qualify no mo so team compete at the highest level and no per this answer no anso ngade mamo e wo jumade so no meka Enzo Fernandez was a player. Edema Chelsea Bobokono. Roma the team ne considers a Quambia so. Woman Sabet Macano Sabetoga. Saint Eduardo Camavinga. Team Saudo Epano. Man City for Epano. Samson Nana Liverpool in Ano. Omope Eduardo Camavinga. At the Ruben Yasamadi team no. Ebetim son prepare life after Brantia. Your friend said Eduardo Camavinga. I'll make a choice. Enzo Fernandez or no. A player was a kind. And so the Chelsea team no. A player Amadi team no e jide pass Enzo Fernandez na ba obetima babua ama no ma sweti wakoye adam Amadi Boboko no metisa Chelsea team no ebetim so na ja Enzo Fernandez aya 90 million euros no ma expect sa abante France Enzo Fernandez no obetim so na ja no asa na bia boy no betima kwa ono so etima kwa ni na no enso na die to dwa na no pai ye de sansema de mamo na Pep Guardiola no pai me nya report sa or the 2 Man City pai for them sa Paris Saint-Germain wingana ye fansa desire due akoda no modern boso ni wodi atumpa ifo nim se kwambia so no se sama transfer no ni bia omo kofa akoda namra no mo se kan anfoma Manchester City Boboko no eno na die to da amade men se kan se yes wodi to pania ye fansa Chiki Bergis no sporting director Man City Boboko na ni no openu so ngaje tumisa mpa akoda ni bobo atinya kupon ya duma sama transfer no ni bia ba se bia Man City Boboko no omo sebetna kakoda na ye fansa desire do na no enso na die to bia no pai ye de sanse mema mo ewo dwumade so ni na no enso na die Bashambi Alonso aye manager adema Bayern on for Leverkusen metisa obetima making the final decisions obetima so ngatoa so badwa adema Bayern Leverkusen ananse bia owura ne betima committee sa bosumu ye womi ya neda eto so makom na duonu so March 27th na metisa openya fansa Jambi Alonso ebetim so announce say obetima say ananse bia no betima fiti no akọ na metisa asa Leverkusen pay for no ewo jide pass openya ye fansa ayen Jambi Alonso ebetim so natna beyond 2026 ano anso ye dia ba na no pai ye de wonsa ngamamo ewo jumade so ko pamba aye plan wo sia kai edema chance Boboko na no pai mami infant to this abrantia no on team enjoy England national team namsa on se bona kwa kopra de me se kan za Chelsea tu no o so na America team no egu so asese akoda na ye fansa na ye ko pamba aye likely sa akoda no on team enjoy England national team namsa bona team so nganya kwa kopra namsa o mujide pass pra no anya de se betima boa ama ko pamba so no team so na join England national team na ana no pede sansa no enso ngama wojumade no so enso 40 player o se academy basa mete sama transfer no ni bia o betima aja brantia a your friends Ansu Fati Kwama Nako omo ejide pansa akoda no de obanya ne wire on timi nto so enye bibi fufuro bia Ansu mfama basa watena so a enye de so betima nya bia bo enti Ansu Fati summer time for no bia ade no ya dan pansa ebetimu so jane kwan metisa Inter Milan team no omo no opanya fonsa Diego Simeone no Ansu manager anasa opanya fonsa Simone Inzaghi ono so manager hedma Inter team na din komo na likely so wura no ebe sign contract extension until 2028 omo jide pansa opanya fonsa mpono Simone Inzaghi ba no wababa djuma Serie A ni adewaje afa UEFA Champions League final ina no wetin so na de omako omo jide pansa wura ne tena ebetima boa ama Inter team na no mako ye enti adesam omo pesa omo new contract until 2028 anano pai ye de won san ngama ho poba mama info to the reporter ebeto de sempo no wono ngabe jone Manchester United boboko no enya no krada omo jide pansa akoda na fansa poba no enya sa time no mu hia no Manchester United team no ewo jide pansa omo ideas no ene chese omo plans ni na no eye different omo mpe poba at the moment ani e de to da anope ngede mom na mom poba enya offers head free Saudi Arabia ni na no enso na dia bana no pai ye de sanse mama mo na mamimfo we entu meserebo tane din quarter na a former player the Manchester boboko no dia tuja santa mano musia kan enso na the Manchester team no wo Chelsea training ground so Obama na dia na modern ball from pa Eden Hazard ho se na Eden Hazard training no dia se off from mobile training ground so Chelsea onye serious kura na so ni na chi no would need game na Chelsea Obama 100% performance ana branche fansa din asa ebetim so na dia mo se uba training ground so dia koso no na manager na fansa Antonio Conte na nenye ho kwa na so anam sa wo de Eden Hazard gina bo no ma Obama 100% performance intino na beden sa branche ya fansa Eden Hazard ubetim so na bench nam sa uko training ground so mode bon wo from nemom wo de gina ma na oil best player adina beden sa Antonio Conte ebetim so na bench Eden Hazard na no ensema branche fansa dane drink water edi atudia na no payegina so na ye the foreign news na sia Nyankopon ya aduma 9:30 baba na ye the more abramo.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. But nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having